Question: how's your website game? I tried Facebook, Google, and Shopify, and I could never really make a website that didn't take more time and money than I had to really succeed. That's why I created Virtual Storefronts, a service that takes your business online but takes no time and effort to create and manage. Get discovered in Google search and end your website problems for just $18 a month. No gimmicks, no gotchas, just a great product with proven value that solves many problems. To take your local business to the next level, visit puttingmainstreetonline.com to order a virtual storefront for your local business in just 5 minutes.